On CXOLens, a CXO manages every group company in one place. Let's add a new company. Click Add Entity. Enter the company name, Ram Automation Limited, and its PAN. Choose the financial year to start tracking from. And create the entity. Ram Automation Limited now sits alongside the rest of the group, ready for services and compliance. Ram Automation is set up. Now switch on the compliance services it needs. Under Finance, enable GST, TDS, and Income Tax. Add the company's GSTIN and its state. And the TAN for TDS. Now save. CXOLens instantly auto-generates the full compliance calendar. Every GST, TDS, and ITR due date for the year is now tracked, no manual setup. Now share the workload across the finance team. Assign GST to the team member who handles it. TDS to another team member. And income tax to whoever owns it. Save the assignments. Now each owner gets automatic reminders and their own My Work queue, nothing slips. Here's Ram Automation's live compliance picture, every period and status in one monthly matrix. Open April's GST return to record a payment. Add the challan, the amount, the paid date, and the challan number. And record it. The monthly matrix flips instantly. April's GST payment is now recorded and tracked. A group CXO doesn't oversee one company, they oversee many. From a single login, switch across every entity in the group. Open Krishna Textiles. Its entire compliance calendar, GST across every state, TDS, and ROC in one monthly matrix. And every company in the group is right here, the same instant view, one click away. That's CXOLens, group-wide compliance visibility, in a single pane of glass. Often a specialist handles one area. Bring them in, scope to only their services. Invite your PF and PT consultant and grant just those two services. They sign into their own scoped view, they see only PF and PT, nothing else. They record the payment and attach the challan as proof. Back as the CXO, you see their update and the attached document instantly. Scoped access, full visibility, and zero email back and forth. Auditors and due diligence teams need to look, not touch. Grant read-only access, time box to a fixed window, with downloads enabled. They sign into a strictly read-only view, no editing, no saving. Every challan and return is open for them to inspect. And they download exactly what you allowed, nothing more. Access expires automatically when the window closes. Nothing to revoke later.